In today's video, I'm going to be checking out a Wagakki Band from Japan. This is their song. I'm going to butcher this. I know this for a fact. I'm going to butcher it. But this is their song, Tsuki Kage Mai Ka. Tsuki Kage Mai Ka. Yeah. I translated it to English and it means shadow rise. Yeah, I can see that here. So this clip has 9 million views. This clip has 9 million views. It's from a long time ago, but it has 9 million. Nearly 10 million people have seen this and I have not. So if you want me to check out more Wagakki Band, make sure to smash like and subscribe and let's go. I can't read that, but okay. Already the song opens with the two most unique instruments that have ever been used in rock. That thing with the strings, I don't know the name, and a flute. Those are like the two most unique instruments you can use in rock. Just before they even continue, I have to point out so many things. Number one, this looks like a recording session type thing. I just noticed that it's like a private room with them. Either they're in separate rooms and it was recorded separately and then the clips were brought together in one frame, or they're in one room. I can't tell really because I haven't watched the whole thing. But I'm loving the drummer's tattoos, so cool. I'm loving what's her name, Susanna Yuko's fan. The thing about the Wagakki Band is that they give you like a feel of Japan, and it's not really I'm not really listening to like specific words or specific instruments. I'm listening to the whole thing as one thing. It's giving me the vibe and sensation of the Japanese experience. Yeah. What was the drummer playing? I don't know what that is. question. I will rewind. Quick question. Who is playing shamisen? Who is playing shamisen? Because the two members of Wagakki Band, I haven't reacted to Wagakki Band in such a long time, but the two members of Wagakki Band that I always liked were Susanna Yuko and what was the name of the girl who played shamisen? Benny Ninagawa. Yeah, that's her name. Yeah, Benny Ninagawa. Is this Benny Ninagawa? If it is, she looks very different. I can't tell who this is. She doesn't look like Benny Ninagawa. The drummer for Wagakki Band, what's his name? Wagakki Band is such a large band. It's hard to remember everyone's name. I think I only know Machia. Is it Machia? I think I would have to Google. Is it Machia? Let me see. Machia and Benny and Susanna Yuko. Those are the only members of Wagakki Band that I know offhand. Let me just check. Yeah, Machia. Asa is the bass player. It's starting to come back to me. And Yuko Susanna. Their drummer is Wasabi. I can see that from Wikipedia over here. The one thing I like about him, I've reacted to. Can I remember this? Chie no Kajitsu? I think it was Chie no Kajitsu. There's a part where he does the same thing. I don't know if this is just part of his style. This. This band has so much style. This band has so much style, from the way they dress, the instruments they use, the way they deliver their song, the way they play their instruments, just their look. They have their own identity. If you know a band that is like Wagakki Band, please comment below, because I don't know any band that is like Wagakki Band. If you wait a minute, just before I finalize, I want to see what people say. Oh, the title says Tsuki Kage Mai Ka Band Edition. So I'm assuming I'm assuming that's why it was formatted the way it was formatted. It says this video, so I don't know so much talent in this band, truly one of a kind. Yes, truly one of a kind band, because many bands, they aren't bands that look like this or sound like this. And this is my first time hearing of them, but I love them. I like how they mix old and new styles, hearing the new styles showing their roots instead of totally customizing their sound with Western beats and instruments. It's a breath of fresh air. Very true. You feel that soul and that sound of Japan in their music and their style very nicely. Her voice is perfect for this song. Yes, I was actually about to say that Susanna Yuko can sing in Japanese. I will not understand a single word, but I will enjoy listening to her sing very nicely. And I love the way she swings the note. All right, the ending was unexpected, but it's awesome. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I just said. I really enjoyed this, and let me check out more Wagakki Band. I'm willing to review as much Wagakki Band as possible, so make sure to just comment below, smash like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And on this screen, I'll leave a couple of reactions I've done for Wagakki Band, including Chie no Kajitsu, which was a favorite for me. It was, I think, one of the first times I had an instrumental from Wagakki Band. And then I'll see you in the next reaction. Peace.